rough crystals for display and malas and bracelets, and some mineral species also. They are collected from all over the world. It is almost like 10 years. I have collected from 10 years all these crystals. So let us have a look over these crystals. Thank you, friends. So many people are waiting for these crystals. This is Lemurian crystals. Morning I have sent a video for you about Lemurian crystals. These are Lemurian crystals. You can see the barcodes on this. You can see the barcodes on this. These all are Lemurian and plus double pointed crystals. These are double pointed and Lemurian. You can see the size of these crystals. These are Lemurians. And there is a double point here. Here also there is a point, and here also there is a point. Two sides point undi మధ్యలో లెమూరియన్ ఉన్న క్రిస్టల్స్ అండి. ఇవి అట్లాంటా నుంచి వస్తాయి. ఇక్కడ మీరు కొన్ని బార్ కోడ్స్ చూడొచ్చు. మీరు బార్ కోడ్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి చూసారా? అంటే మనము బ్రాండెడ్ డ్రెస్సెస్ కొనుక్కున్నప్పుడు ఎక్కడైతే ఏదైతే బార్ కోడ్స్ ఉంటాయో అట్లా బార్ కోడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సీ దీస్ ఆర్ barcodes. All the spiritual people who want to develop their spiritual, they can use this Lemurians. So much of information in this Lemurians. These are double pointed Lemurians. Approx like 8,000 to 4,000 rupees. These double pointers are costing, and these small like 1,500. The small is sizes of 1,500 rupees, and these are also double pointed. Okay, and afterwards I will send you the photo shoot and weight and pieces price in my Facebook. You can select your piece. This is again single point Lemurian. These are single point Lemurians. These are single pointed Lemurians. You can see the barcodes. Okay, and now I will show you, and these are small Lemurians. These are small Lemurians. See, these are costing like 1,500, and the big size is of 2,000, and the another next size is of approximately 2,500. And now I will show you another variety more than these Lemurians. These Lemurian sizes starts from 1,500 rupees to 10,000 rupees sizes we have. And this is not Lemurian. This is not Lemurian. This is normal natural pointed crystal. Natural pointed crystal. You can see this size. This is of almost 8-inch size of crystal. These are for healing purpose, like healing wands. We can use this. This is Tibetan crystals. This is having a natural points and 8-inch size. These pieces are costing around like 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees pieces. With the natural points, you can see the natural points. Okay, so we have a vast collection in Lemurian points and healing crystals, and I can show you another collection. These all are Himalayan crystals. These all are Himalayan crystals, pencils for healing, crystal healing. We can use this. This is I have 200 kgs lot with me. All are of natural crystals. And some are like smoky quartz. We have natural smoky quartz. For crystal healing, healers, you can use these pencils. There is a video about Lemurian crystals. I have made a video about Lemurian crystals. You can check out that video about the information. And this is Merkaba. It is around like we have 4-5 Merkabas around 200 to 250 grams in between. It is only costing of 1500 rupees. It is costing of only 1500 rupees. We get around like 2500 outside, but as an offer price it is for 1500 rupees only. Difference between single point and double point. Banu Sai Krishna ji. Okay, single point we can heal only one side. Double point, the Lemurian crystal takes out the negative energy from us and gives the positive energy to us. So there is a double workout. Okay, this is crystal, lapis, and this is black tourmaline. This is a very big size and only 1500 rupees. Okay, and third eye. For third eye activation, we have turquoise. This is original turquoise, not heated, not treated, original turquoise bracelet. This is costing of 1000 rupees. This is not Howellite heated. This is original turquoise. Okay, this is of 1000 rupees. Black onyx bracelets, multi bracelets, and amethyst bracelets of 450 rupees. Tiger eye bracelets, lava bracelets of only 200 rupees. Lava bracelets. And this is 7 chakra Gajra mala. For fancy wear, we can use 7 chakra Gajra mala. For ladies, this is rose quartz mala. This is crystal bracelets of only 200 rupees with 7 chakra. With 7 chakra, this is crystal bracelets of 200 rupees. This is black tourmaline. This is black tourmaline, 400 rupees. Black tourmaline bracelet. మన నెగిటివ్ ఎనర్జీ నుంచి మనల్ని కాపాడుకోవటానికి, ఫర్ నెగిటివ్ ఎనర్జీ and for bad thoughts, for cleaning process, we use this black tourmaline. This is lava bracelet. This is citrine, and this is rose quartz and labradorite. Okay, rose quartz, and these are some of the another crystals: cherry quartz, lapis, and labradorites. Okay, friends, so we have a lot of this is evil's eye. This is evil's eye bracelet. You can see this is evil's eye bracelet. This costing of 500 rupees. And now these are selenite in and an candle lamps. This is selenite in and an candle lamps. This is costing of offer price 1000 rupees. You can lit a candle in this, small candle in this, in and an. This is separate pieces. Beautiful and very powerful also. When you lit a candle in this piece, when the selenite is getting heated, it cleans the space. చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్న నెగిటివ్ ఎనర్జీని, స్పేస్ని కూడా కంప్లీట్గా క్లీన్ చేస్తుంది ఎప్పుడైతే సెలెనైట్ లైట్గా హీట్ అవుతుందో. ఓకే, అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ఓషన్ జాస్పర్. దిస్ ఈస్ ఓషన్ జాస్పర్ మాలా. It is costing of 1000 rupees. All these malas normally 1400 to 1200 rupees. Today offer price is 1000 rupees. This is ocean jasper and this is third eye mala. This is original turquoise and this is crystal. This is crystal and this is amethyst. For third eye activation and for a layer cleaning, to cleanse all the layers in the third eye, karmic layers, and to get very good intuitions, to get different intuitions, we use this third eye mala. This is turquoise, crystal and amethyst. These three are used for third eye mala. మనకు ఆధ్యాత్మికంగా ఎదుగుదల కోసం ప్లస్ థర్డ్ ఐ యాక్టివేషన్ కోసం, ఇంట్యూషన్స్ కోసం మనము థర్డ్ ఐ మాల్ని వాడటం జరుగుతుంది. అంటే దీంట్లో ఉన్న క్రిస్టల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మన థర్డ్ ఐకి యూజ్ అయ్యే క్రిస్టల్సే. సో ఇది మనము మెషిన్తో చెక్ చేసుకొని ఒక హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్కి ఎంత ఎనర్జీ అవసరమో దాన్ని బట్టే మనం క్రిస్టల్స్ని సెట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. And these are exclusive sizes of amethyst and rose quartz. This is 10 mm size of rose quartz and amethyst. Anahata chakra and Sahasrara chakra mala, 108 mala, 10 mm size. You can see the different size, this one. And this is very, very high powerful mala. This is also one of a 12 chakra cleaning mala. Actually we call it as 12 chakra cleaning mala, but it cleans the 7 chakras. Every chakra have a 12 layers inside. 6 layers from ancestors we get problems. Another 7 to 12th layer our soul related problems. All the problems, hurdles which we are not able to absorb the cosmic energy. So chakra imbalance. So all the imbalances will be cleared and the karmic layers will be cleaned through these crystals. There are 12 varieties of crystals in this 12 chakra mala. Okay, garnet, ocean jasper, calcite, rose quartz and green aventurine, sodalite, lapis and kakanili, iolite, moonstone and sunstone and amethyst and labradorite. You can see the quality, beautiful quality of labradorite. Okay, you can see the quality of labradorite, which is having a very good sheen. We use all very high quality crystals because we need for healing. We don't use low quality crystals to make a mala. We need very high quality crystals. The mineral composition itself gives us very good healing. మనకి హీలింగ్ జరగడానికి మనకి మినరల్ క్రిస్టల్లో ఉన్న మినరల్ కాంపోజిషనే మనం వాడుకుంటున్నాం. సో ఆ మినరల్ కాంపోజిషన్ కావాలంటే మనం మంచి క్వాలిటీ క్రిస్టల్స్ని వాడుకోవాలి. సో మనం ఈ 12 చక్ర మాల్లో అంటే 7 చక్రాస్లో ఉన్న 12 లేయర్లని కూడా క్లీన్ చేసుకోవటానికి, అంటే చక్ర ఇంబ్యాలెన్స్గా ఉంటే బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసుకోవటానికి, ఇన్యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటే కనుక యాక్టివ్ చేసుకోవటానికి మనం ఈ 12 చక్ర మాల్ని వాడతాము. ఓకే, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ garnet mala. This is used for rahu or a blood infection. If you have blood infection or hemoglobin levels very low or rahu problem or any land related problems, always disputes related to land. Manjunath, you want 7 chakra mala? 12 chakra mala. Okay ma'am, your 12 chakra mala is booked. This is for rahu graha. This is called as garnet. And a second option like gomed. Okay, and land disputes if you have, and blood related problems if you have, or Mooladhara chakra inactive problems, sudden temper and sudden temper if you have, or any psychological problems if you have, you can use this Rahu Graha Mala. And bad habits like drinking, smoking, if you are not able to leave those, so if you want to make your Mooladhara chakra strong, you can use this garnet mala. ఇది గార్నెట్ మాల్ అండి, రాహుకి వాడతాము. మనకి బ్లడ్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే బ్లడ్కి రిలేటెడ్ ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కానీ ఉన్నా, లేదా రాహుగ్రహం ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నా, ల్యాండ్కి రిలేటెడ్ ఏవైనా సంబంధమైన డిస్ప్యూట్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా మనము ఈ మూలాధార చక్రాకు సంబంధించిన మాలను వాడతాం. and plus financial problems. If you are not able to attract finance at all, finance is not coming to you, మనకి ఫైనాన్స్ అసలు రావట్లేదు, ఫైనాన్స్ని మనం అట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకోలేకపోతున్నాం. సో దెన్ ఆల్సో మూలాధార చక్ర ఇన్యాక్టివ్, ఫైనాన్స్ విల్ నాట్ కమ్ టు అవర్ డోర్ స్టెప్స్. వీ కెనాట్ సీ money with our eyes, or we cannot even carry money. So for that also, to active Mooladhara chakra, to open the gates for prosperity and finance, Mooladhara chakra is very important. So that for that those problems also we use this garnet. I will show you the rock of garnet. See, this is the rough stone of garnet. This is called as Goli garnet. This is called as Goli garnet. This is the rock form of garnet. If you clean the outer layer, then you will able to see the maroon color. Then from this piece we make this mala. Okay. This is again what we are talking about, red jasper, Sobhanadri Sila. Okay, and Garuda Manimala. This is for Swadhisthana and Kujagraha, marriage related problems, children related problems, date related problems, sperm related problems. So for all this we use this Swadhisthana chakra, Garuda Mani Mala. Okay, and this one you can search in Google also, red jasper healing properties, garnet healing properties, and labradorite healing properties. You get a lot of information, you can read through that also. Okay, this is again labradorite for 7 chakras, cleaning, healing, balancing, aura leakage and aura breakage. We use this labradorite mala. Purva janma papa karma dosham, for cleaning that we use this labradorite mala. Each and every single cell will be cleaned with this labradorite mala. And the another thing is, garnet is for finance. Garnet is for finance. And this is also Mariam. This is not tiger eye, this is Mariam. You can see this. This is Mariam. This is not tiger eye. This is Mariam. Mariam mala. Okay, this is also for Mooladhara chakra, Swadhisthana chakra and Manipura chakra. For these three, this Mariam mala is used. If there is any vastu problem in your house and that is affecting you too much and you are not able to survive because of that, you can use this Mariam mala. So you will be getting free from that vastu problem. Oh, see, this is Mariam mala. మనకి వాస్తు రకమైన దోషం ఉండి ఇంట్లో మనం ఆ వాస్తు గురించి మన మీద ఎఫెక్ట్ పడి మనం బాధపడుతుంటే, సో ఆ ఎఫెక్ట్ మన మీద పని చేయకోకుండా ఈ మరియం మాల అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుందండి. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ ఫేవరెట్, ఆల్ నోస్. దిస్ ఇస్ అమెథిస్ట్, సహస్రార చక్ర రిలేటెడ్, ఫర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ ఫర్ పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఎనీ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అండ్ ఎఫ్రిమేషన్స్ అండ్ ఫర్ థాట్ పవర్. దిస్ ఇస్ అమెథిస్ట్ మాల చదువుకునే పిల్లల కోసం అండ్ సహస్రార చక్ర యాక్టివేషన్ కోసం, ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ చేసే వాళ్ళ కోసం, మల్టిపుల్ టాస్క్స్ చేసే వాళ్ళ కోసం అమెథిస్ట్ మాల చాలా అవసరం. నేను ఐ కీప్ 1.5 kg amethyst near my bed. So morning 6:30, 4:30 to 6:30 in Brahma Muhurta we get highest Sahasrara Chakra active races from universe. So actually that time will be good for doing puja and meditation. When I'm sleeping also I start taking cosmic energy from universe. And this is green Marakata mala. This is green aventurine mala. Okay friends, you can see this for Anahata chakra, bronchitis, asthma, lung infection. We can use this Marakata mala, and it is for highest divine energy. It is for highest divine energy. Solar plexus is used for, this is a citrin. I will show you citrin, sir. Citrin and this मरियम, these two are used for solar plexus. Citrin कहाँ है? एक येलो येलो अभी बच्चे ने फेंक दिया ना, उधर से निकालो येलो येलो. 1 minute sir. Actually this is citrin mala. This round is actually I think round is not available now, but it is available in this shape also. This is citrin. This is for Manipura chakra. Okay. वहाँ एक कैल्साइट माला है, निकालो. एक लाइट येलो वाली. हाँ, लाइट येलो. For solar plexus, one is calcite, one is Mariam, and another one is citrin. These three are useful. And another very craziest mala. This is, you know friends, what is this? What are these malas? You have an idea? These are rosewood and sandalwood. Rosewood and sandalwood malas. To chant Om Mani Padme Hum, all the Tibetans use this, and all the Buddhists use this wooden malas. Actually this is called as a ebon black mala. This is available in the form of bracelets and malas also. This is red sandalwood. We are getting a very good smell. Of course I cannot smell you in the camera. I can only show you. These are red sandalwood. Yerra chandanam bracelets andi. This is for Anahata chakra and highest divine energy and prosperity. We use yerra chandanam, red sandalwood. And this is to chant Om Mani Padme Hum and Tibetan rituals. This ebon wood is used. This is a very beautiful black. I will send you information about this wooden malas also in my next Facebook page. In this is a normal chandan mala. This is chandan mala. You can get a very good smell from this. This is used to chant Lakshmi Devi mantras and Kubera mantra and any Ganapati mantra, financial related mantras, and for solar plexus also. And red sandal is used for Kuja Graha and Surya Graha. This red sandalwood is used. Okay. We have good sizes also, 10 mm, 8 mm and 6 mm. These are costing approx like 1,800, 600. Okay. You can search in Google also, ma'am. What are the uses of this red chandan and all? Sandalwood, red sandalwood and ebon wood. Okay. These are the three we have availability now. And this is also citrin. You can see this citrin piece. This is approx like, you can place this in Kubera Sthana or Puja room for good finance, to attract finance and to get different ideas how to attract finance and prosperity. Okay. And this is also citrin, but actually in citrin we have 4-5 colors and shades of the citrin: lemon citrin, brandy citrin, honey citrin. Okay, these are the shades of citrin. And again this is also cornelian, hakik. So many people of Muslims use them, cornelian, for chanting mantra like red hakik mala, lal hakik mala. They use it very oftenly. Lal hakik mala. This is also red hakik, cornelian. This is also used for solar plexus and Swadhisthana chakra, and again for Kuja Graha and Kundalini raise. If anyone want to do workout on Kundalini Shakti and Subramanyeswara Swami, Valli Devasena Sameta Subramanyeswara Swami, we use this red cornelian mala for higher energies and to raise the Kundalini Shakti. Okay. Ma'am, actually normal our price is 6,000 rupees. Today offer price is 5,000 rupees. So many we have sold out. We have only 2 pieces. This is costing of 5,000 rupees. And we are near to Diwali also. So these are very offer prices. This is of 800 rupees. This is of 800 rupees. This is of 1,000 rupees. Okay. And another very famous mala of Siri healing crystals is 7 chakra mala. This is 7 chakra mala. This is Mooladhara chakra garnet, Swadhisthana chakra cornelian, Manipura chakra citrine, Anahata chakra malachite, Vishuddhi chakra lapis, Agna chakra turquoise, Sahasrara chakra amethyst. Okay. फिर 7 chakras, use this 7 chakra mala. Normal 7 chakra mala cost is of 500 rupees. From 2012, this mala is very from 2010 onwards we are making this mala, and every year at least like 25,000 malas we make. Actually this is made with very powerful crystals, and these are programmed for a higher energy, to receive higher energy. So these mala are very famous. This is costing of only 400 rupees today. And this is, all knows, this is labradorite chips mala. This is also 400 rupees. Every day normal it costs of 500 rupees. Today offer price is 400 rupees. This is labradorite. You can see the sheen in this, and very good quality. And this is green onyx. This is green onyx for Anahata chakra and Buddhagraha Anugraha. We use this green onyx mala. And another one is Marakata mala. This is Marakatam for divine energy and for Buddhagraha. We use this. Actually it is called as Jaipur Pacha. It is a name famous like Jaipur Pacha. Okay. These all malas of 400 rupees, only 400 rupees today. And this is amethyst. You can see the beauty of amethyst today. Really very beautiful mala. This costing of only 400 rupees. And this is long, is a 36 inches mala. This is 36 inches mala. Very clear stones. And once rough de do. With this rough stone, this mala is made. You can see this. With this rough stone, after cutting off this rough stone, this mala will be made, and bracelets and everything we can make. Okay. So please, we have all original crystals at our step door. We don't use even heated or treated crystals also. Only original form of crystals we use. See, this is also angel. Okay. I hope you can understand. And these are very beautiful small bracelets to gift as a Diwali gift to your ones. Only it is costing of, normally it is costing of 300 rupees. Today it is costing of only 250 rupees. 7 chakra, and this is iolite, this is garnet, and this is sunstone. And there is a mala, this red jasper and Mariam is used for Naga dosham, Kuja dosham, and Kala Sarpa dosham. with those also, with these 3 problems, కుజదోషం, కాలసర్పదోషం, నాగదోషం, మనం గార్నెట్ మాలని, సారీ రెడ్ జాస్పర్ మాలని, మరియం మాలని, కార్నెలియన్ మాలని, ఈ మూడింటిని కూడా మనం యూజ్ చేస్తామండి. ఓకే, సో ఏవైతే ఆ దోషాలు మూలాధార చక్రా నుంచి కింద ఉండి మనకి కింద ఉన్న 7 లోకాల నుండి మనం ఆ ప్రాబ్లం ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నాము, వాటి నుండి కనెక్షన్ మనకి కట్ చేయడానికి ఈ క్రిస్టల్ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద హిమాలయన్ బ్యూటీస్. దీస్ ఆర్ హిమాలయన్ బ్యూటీస్. Normally Indian, this is Indian, you can see it in red color. Himalayan crystal, you can see it in white color. You can see the difference between Indian and Himalayan. This Indian piece is costing like 500 rupees. This piece is called as families, crystal families. You can see a lot of crystals in this. Okay, you are able to see a lot of crystals in this now. So when you do group meditation, or you have in family you have 4-5 members, to heal and clean everyone and the energy flow to every room, so we use this families. This is called as families. So every point is having a different dimension, which is connected to the 10th dimension, 15th dimension, 16th dimension, to different dimensions. And in the same manner, you can see the mud backside, there is a rock, but for Himalayan this is called as chromium, which cleans the cells, which cleans the block energy in our cells. This is a very powerful mineral. This is called as chromium. Okay, again this is a Himalayan crystal. Himalayan crystal is a very topmost powerful in the world. Then all the crystals, Himalayan crystal is more powerful. This is costing of 1500 rupees. This is costing of 500 rupees. Almost approx the weight is also same, but this is Indian. For cosmic energy we can use this for a whole family. This is Himalayan, which cleans the cells, every cell negative energy and blocked energy the Himalayan cleans. And we can program the Himalayan crystals, whatever affirmation you have in your idea about your business, study, marriage, you can program the crystal. And we have a big crystals in Himalayan also. This is like ship. This is like ship. You can see this is like ship in shape. And there are, oh, they're hurting me. Oh, there's a lot of small crystals in this. Okay. And this is fluorite for Sahasrara Chakra, for Vishnu energies. Actually amethyst is for Shani energies, and for Vishnumurti energies we use this fluorite. This is a blue fluorite. This is a stone of blue fluorite. For Sahasrara Chakra, higher consciousness, we use this fluorite. Actually this is a rough stone. The skeleton is there. So after cleaning the skeleton, we can get the stone color exactly. But we use this as in a rock form, as we get from the earth for healing purposes. Okay. And in Himalayan crystals, we have more crystals, but today time will not be sufficient, because I have bought a very lot of crystals to show you, as today is the last day for the show, to show the quantity of the crystals and varieties of the crystals. Okay friends, and this is Marakatam. This is raw Marakatam. See, this mala is made from this Marakatam. This is green aventuran. In Tirupati also there is a place called Papanashini. In Tirupati there is a place called Papanashini. If you do bath under that, we can get rid from sins and health problems. So everyone whoever visit Tirupati, they take a holy bath over there. The rock is full of marakatam. That is why if you do take a bath under that waterfalls, so that is explained like we can get rid of sins and health problems. తిరుపతిలో ఉన్న పాపనాశిని కింద స్నానం చేస్తే రోగాలు పోతాయి, పాపాలు పోతాయి అని చెప్తా ఉంటారు. ఆ రాయి అంతా కూడా మొత్తం మరకతం రాయేనండి. అందుకనే ఆ రాయి మీద నుంచి వచ్చే వాటర్తో మనం స్నానం చేస్తే రోగాలు పోతాయి, పాపాలు పోతాయి అని చెప్తున్నారు. సో అదే స్టోన్ని, ద సేమ్ స్టోన్ వీ కెన్ కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ అవర్ వాటర్ ట్యాంక్స్ అండ్ డ్రింకింగ్ వాటర్ ఆల్సో. హే రఘు, హాయ్ రఘు, see this one, you know, this is markatam. Okay. Bhanu Sai Krishna ji, yeah, these are Gomti Chakra andi. These Gomti Chakras are not from China or not plastic. These are from Gujarat, Gomati river. Okay. ఏరో పౌర్ణమి నాడు రాత్రిపూట విడిచినవి పర్టిక్యులర్గా మనం సంవత్సరం మొత్తం మీద ఒక్కసారే తెప్పిస్తాం. These are not Chinese or these are not plastic. There are so many duplicates will come from this, but these are original from Gujarat, Gomati river. These Gomati chakras will come. Okay, these are originals. These are used to enhance our energies more and more. Okay, so in drinking water we can use this markatam to enter divine energy. మనలోకి డివైన్ ఎనర్జీ ఎంటర్ అవటానికి మరకతంని మనం వాటర్లో వేసుకొని తాగొచ్చు. ఫర్ డ్రింకింగ్ వాటర్ దేర్ ఆర్ 5 types of crystals for drinking water. One is green aventurine, marakatam. Second one is amethyst. For Sahasrara chakra energies, zinc and iron and memory power. Another one is white crystal for cosmic energy. You can see our beautiful crystals. You can there is no mud or nothing else in this. Only pure crystals. See this. Actually it needs a very good shower. After cleaning this, you'll get white in color. Okay. One is markatam, second is amethyst, third one is crystal, white crystal. You can keep it in water for drinking. And the fourth one is rose quartz. This is also for anahata chakra. And if there is any love related problems, relation related problems, so you can use this rose quartz. This is a very very pretty rose quartz. So you can keep it in bedroom if you have any relationship disputes towards your husband or wife. If you have any relation disputes in your family, you can keep it in hall. Okay. Gomati chakra. Okay, these are small pieces. Today offer price is only 600 rupees per piece. See this. This is only 600 rupees per piece. Today offer price. You have seen my old videos also in tons. I have sit and made some videos. See, this is of rose quartz. This is costing around like 1000 rupees. This is of 500 rupees. So one is markatam, second one is amethyst, third one is crystal, another one is rose quartz, and the another very important crystal is shungite. This comes from Russia. It is not African or Indian. This is Russian shungite. Again in this there are some elite shungite, normal shungites, but don't use those. Only this is elite shungite. Only this one you can use. And normally this is 50 rupees gram. 60 rupees gram. Today offer price is 50 rupees gram. Okay. So around like 800 rupees or 1000 rupees if you take this shungite for the whole family, it will be useful. And once if you place all these 5 types of crystals in your water, lifelong these crystals will be used. Shungite approx like 10 years. Anju Priyaji, okay. Anju Priyaji, your rose quartz is booked, 500 rupees. Okay, this rice quartz for me. Okay. Manjula Prasad ji, which one you want cost, ma'am? మీకు ఏ వస్తువు కాస్ట్ కావాలో పెట్టండి. షంగైట్ ఆల్సో ఫర్ మీ. ఓకే. Afterwards I will wait and keep. And this is another crystal. What is this crystal? Fast type. This is called as obsidian. This is called as obsidian. Okay, this is used to talk with higher masters. My baby is shouting. She want to play with all the rocks. Yeah, this is a black obsidian to cut the negative cords. All the healers know what are cords. To cut the negative cords from one person to another person, and to cut the bad cords, negative cords, thoughts, negative cords and thoughts. This black obsidian is used. Okay, and to connect with the masters, like lower dimension masters, not like under dimension, related to the earth, like Kala Bhairava, Kalika Devi. Okay, this obsidian is used. And again, this obsidian is used for your family related god. అంటే మన గ్రామ దేవతలకి మనం కనెక్ట్ అవటానికి కూడా మనకి, ప్లస్ గ్రామ దేవతల యొక్క శాపాలు కానీ ఏవైనా అలాంటివి వాళ్ళకి చేయాల్సిన మొక్కులు మనము చేయలేక ప్రాబ్లం ఫేస్ చేస్తుంటే వాటి నుంచి క్లియర్ అవటానికి కూడా మనకి ఈ బ్లాక్ ఆబ్సిడియన్ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుందండి. ఓకే, అండ్ అగైన్ దీస్ ఆర్ అమెథిస్ట్ ఫ్లవర్స్. कानू शर्मा जी, वो खेलना शुरू करे तो सबको एक कर देगी. Okay, these are amethyst flowers. మనకు వంటగదిలో ఉన్న సామాన్లు అంటే దాల్, షుగర్, టీ పౌడర్. फिर in that if you want to place crystal, we can use this amethyst. There are 2-3 varieties like that to keep it in food grains. Okay, this shape is actually some different shape. You can see this point which is attracting cosmic energy. This is of 100 grams. This is of 100 grams, 400 rupees. This is 100 grams of 300 rupees. Okay, this is of 100 grams 300 rupees, 100 grams 400 rupees. Okay, and this is again Brazilian amethyst. Okay, this is Brazil amethyst. Actually the amethyst only, but you can see the different shades. This is African amethyst, this is Indian amethyst, and this is Brazil amethyst. Amethyst only, but జాతులు మీరు చూడొచ్చు. దీన్నే మనం జాతులు అంటాం. ఒక స్టోన్ని జమాలజిస్ట్ ఇట్లానే కనిపెడతాం అనమాట. అందరూ చూడటానికి మనుషుల్లాగానే ఉన్న ఆఫ్రికన్, అమెరికన్, ఇండియన్ ఎట్లా డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటారో అట్లాగే స్టోన్స్లో కూడా వైలెట్గా ఉన్నా కూడా జాతులను బట్టి దాంట్లో వేరియేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే కాను శర్మాజీ, I want amethyst 50 grams is available. Okay Padmapriya ji, okay. Which one you want, this one or that one? Please explain. You want light color or you want dark color? Please mention. Okay. And this is shungite for water, and shungite water, I will send you some images. Shungite cleans each and every cell which is blocked, and even shungite cleans our shadow also, everything in our aura, everything in our body. And okay, and whatever the negativity we are absorbing through vastu or any graha or anything else, or around our space, it will don't let you to attract the negativity. shungite అంటే మన ఇంట్లో వాస్తు దోషం ఉన్నా, లేకపోతే మనకి ఏదైనా గ్రహ దోషం ఉన్నా, లేకపోతే ఏదైనా ఉండటం వలన మన బాడీలో ఉన్న సెల్ ఆ నెగిటివిటీని అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకుంటాం వల్లనే మనకి బ్లాకేజ్ అనేది ఏర్పడుతుంది. ఆ సెల్ని అసలు ఆ నెగిటివిటీని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయకోకుండా, అసలు నెగిటివిటీని పీల్చుకోకుండా దాన్ని వదిలేస్తుంది అనమాట షంగైట్ వాటర్ తాగటం వల్ల. యాక్చువల్లీ వీ డూ ఎఫ్రిమేషన్ లైక్ ఎవ్రీ సెల్ హ్యావ్ టు టర్న్ ఇంటూ డివైన్ సెల్. మనలో ఉన్న ప్రతి కణము కూడా దైవ కణం కింద మారాలి అని మనం అనుకుంటాం అనమాట మెడిటేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు. అలా మనలో ఉన్న ప్రతి కణము దైవ కణం కింద మారటానికి shungite will be very very useful. Okay, these are shungites, and we have some varieties of shungites. Another one we must not use only this variety of shungite we can use. Okay, one is tektite. You all know this tektite, chintamani stone this is. And again this is Himalayan crystal, and the very beautiful Himalayan crystal. Wow. See, this one is blue calcite. This is blue calcite for Agna chakra and Vishuddhi chakra. Mainly we have to say like only for Agna chakra, blue calcite. This is costing of 1500 rupees, 1500 rupees. See the size of piece. This is blue calcite for Agna chakra activation, third eye activation, intuitions, and to clear all the layers. This calcite, blue calcite is used. I can show you another piece of 4 kg 540 gram blue calcite, big piece. Okay, you can see the piece, you can see the beauty of this piece. And the same small piece, this is of 1500, the small piece. Okay, and these are some rare collections. Sailaja ji, okay ma'am. One Lemurian and one shungite price also. Okay, after the show I will send you messages. Okay, and again these are citrine. These are costing of 500 rupees only. This is a original citrine piece to carry always luck with you in your handbag. You can use this, or to keep in your cash box also. This is a 500 rupees original citrines. Okay, and this is also Brazil amethyst. This is costing around like 2000 rupees. See this Brazil amethyst, see the color and clarity. And again this is African amethyst. Wow, this is original coral. This is original coral pagadamandi. Idi 60 years old coral. This is the original coral, comes like this, original pagadam. For anyone want to wear for Kujagraha, this is ready to wear. There is a small hole in this. Okay, this is original coral, no heated, no treated, nothing we have done. One citrine please. Okay ma'am. Which piece you want, you can select. This is number 1. This is number 1 piece. This is number 2 piece. You can select which piece you want, you can select. As you send message, I'll keep it side for you. Okay. See. This is rose quartz, beautiful pendant with very, very high quality rose quartz. Wow. And another one is amber. What do you call? This is amber. There are so many clients now who are seeing this show. They have used this amber and called me so many times. Wow, ma'am, this is a wonderful crystal, wonderful crystal. Actually, this is not a crystal. From tree, after 1,000 years, the tree relieves resin. That is called as amber. In Czechoslovakia, like countries, we get this amber. 1000 సంవత్సరాలు ఉన్నాక చెట్టు జిగురు కారుస్తుందండి. ఆ జిగురే ఈ అంబర్. వేర్ అంబర్ విల్ బి దేర్, దేర్ ఏంజల్స్ విల్ బి దేర్. Angels will be attracted for selenite and amber. Wherever selenite is placed and amber is placed, angels will be attracted and they come around. And this is of only and only and only 1000 rupees piece. Okay, today offer. This is only 1000 rupees piece. Neat and clean, very pure piece, amber. And this is yellow amber. So this is used for finance and solar plexus, Manipura chakra. Okay, we can get red amber also. Again, that will used for Kujagraha. Okay, this is used for Guru Graha and Lakshmi Devi. Okay, and I'm so sorry, friends. Today, it's actually it is not possible for me for Malda White. I will give you photos and rates and discount with discount rates tomorrow in my Facebook series Healing Crystals. Okay, and again, these are diyas. If these are big diyas, then yesterday I have showed you. Okay, and we have so many lot of crystals. If anyone is confused which crystal they want, and they can send their name and initial, so I can suggest them crystal. Again, there is a black tourmaline. Sorry, this is a selenite. This is a selenite wand. Selenite wand. And these are small selenites. Okay. So for selenite is used to attract angels and to communicate with angels, and for 7 race masters and Saptarushi with family, means Saptarushi wives also, and Narada Maharshi. Whatever the spiritual work have to be done with you, the work will be given to you. So if you are ready to do spiritual work, then you definitely you own a selenite with you. స్పిరిచువల్ వర్క్ మనం చేయటానికి కనుక మనం రెడీ అయితే, మనం రెడీగా ఉంటే ఆ వర్క్ని మీకోసం భూమి మీదకి అందించడానికి సప్త ఋషులు, నారద మహర్షి గారు, దైవ ఋషి అయిన నారద మహర్షి గారి ద్వారా, 7 రేస్ మాస్టర్స్ ద్వారా, ఆర్కేంజల్ మైకిల్ గారి ద్వారా మీ దాకా తీసుకురావటానికి మనము సెలనైట్ని యూస్ చేస్తాం. దెర్ ఇస్ అ ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ యూజింగ్ పర్టికులర్ వే టు యూస్ సెలనైట్. whoever purchases selenite, I will explain the way how to use it. Okay, and these are pearl shells. These are pearl shells. For moon related problems, we can use this pearl shells. You can see the size of this pearl shell. What a big size. You can keep water in this and keep it at a Vayuvya Kona. Okay, Vayuvya Kona, you can keep this. Okay, these are pearl shells, big pearl shell. And this is again rose quartz, beautiful rose in rose quartz. On your office tables, showcases, you can keep this. You will be getting energy and communication skills and beauty also. Okay, this is a crystal bracelet. This is cornelian bracelet. This is red jasper, tumbles, and this is pyrites. I am unable to explain all the rates also. So whatever you like, please you can select. Afterwards in WhatsApp, I will give you all the details. And these are pendants: malachite, rose quartz, lapis, shungite, okay, amethyst. These are pendants, labradorites. And this is for Vastu related problems. We use this small chips. This is emerald, this is cornelian, and this is citrine. Like this we get 25 varieties of uncut chips are also available. Okay, and this is again labradorite. See the sheen, you can see the sheen, labradorites. Okay, and again I will show you one exclusive piece. This is called as phantom. You can see the phantom inside. See, this is a crystal, but inside you can see a green layer going out. I will show you some phantom crystals. Okay, we are in online. I will show you some phantom crystals. I hope you can see a inside pyramid inside in this crystal, Merkaba and rose flower. Okay, ma'am. See this? You can see a small inside phantom. And I'll show you another phantom pieces. See, this is moss. Inside moss is alive. క్రిస్టల్లో జీవశక్తి లేకపోతే లోపల ఎన్నో వేల సంవత్సరాల లోపల ఉన్న నాచు ఇంకా బతికే ఉంది. ఎప్పుడూ కూడా మనకంటే కూడా ఎక్కువగానే ఇది కాస్మిక్ ఎనర్జీ, జీవశక్తిని, ప్రాణశక్తిని తీసుకుంటుంది. అందుకనే క్రిస్టల్ లోపల పురుగు ఉన్నా సరే ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాలైనా దాని చావు లేకుండా బతికే ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడప్పుడు మనకి దొరుకుతుంది. లోపల నాచు కానీ ఏదైనా ఫ్లవర్ కానీ ఉంటే ఆ ఫ్లవర్ వాడిపోదు, పాడైపోదు, నాచు కూడా చనిపోదు, ఎప్పుడు అలా గ్రీన్గా లోపల బతికే ఉంటుంది. సో ఇదే నిదర్శనం క్రిస్టల్ కాస్మిక్ ఎనర్జీ తీసుకుంటుంది అనేది. క్రిస్టల్ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ ఆల్వేస్ ప్రాణ ఎనర్జీ అండ్ కాస్మిక్ ఎనర్జీ విచ్ వీ గెట్ హయ్యర్ ఎనర్జీ. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ moss in the inside. It is thousands of years before this moss is inside, but still that moss is live and you can see greenery. This is the only proof that we can say crystal have life force energy and it gives life. Okay, see inside this is, there is also phantom, but I am not able to show you clearly. This is also having a phantom. Okay, this is also having a phantom, ma'am, but in this camera we are not able to show. Wow, very good phantom piece. Oh, you can see inside pyramid going on. This is a phantom piece. This is having how many layers of phantom it is having. It is like a rocket. There's a power of rocket, like phantom is working like that. I'll send you some posters about phantom. Okay friends, I'm tired really. Okay, we have a lot of crystal collection, different varieties of crystal collection and species and so many varieties. So whatever you need you can order. Okay, hope you all enjoyed the show and please order in WhatsApp. So from tomorrow I'll start packing for all of you. Thank you friends. Bye.